Fresh from Vinted, these sleek black patent Oxford heels are pure elegance. Let's unbox them and see how they shine on. First spotted these in a certain adults-only corner of the internet, and when I finally found them for just £10, I simply couldn't resist. Dripping in high-shine black patent leather, these irresistible Oxford pumps fuse vintage charm with unapologetic glamour, flaunting a refined lace up front, a sultry tapered toe, and sky-high stiletto heels balanced by a discreet platform perfect for commanding attention from the boardroom to the cocktail bar. I'll be showcasing these in style, giving them the attention they deserve, so stay tuned for more. And I'll see you in the next video.